All right, everybody, this is your answer check for Core Bites number 7. Number 1 says, Madison wants to know how many crayons are in her box. If there are 4 rows of 19 crayons, how many crayons are in her box? So, she has 4 total rows with 19 in each one. So you've got 19 4 times. So we're going to multiply that out. So you've got 19 times 4. Okay, 19 rows of crayons 4 times. So, we know that 4 times 9 would be 36. Regroup. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. So your total would be 76 crayons. That would be your total. Number 2, we're doing this with place value this week. Give the value of the underlined digit. Well, we have the number 2, and if this is the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, that is in the 2000s place, and its value would be 2,000. Number 3, which sentence is true? We have $175 and $150. So 175 is not less than 150. 175 is greater than 150. 175 is not equal to 150. So the best answer is that $175 is greater than $150. Number 4, the sum of the measure of angles 1 and 2 is 80. If the angle for angle 1 measures 60, what is the measure of angle 2? All right, so if angle 1 is 60 degrees, and all together they equal 80 degrees, if you take 80, subtract 60, that will give you the missing angle, which would be 20 degrees. So angle 2, right there, is 20 degrees. So your answer is 20 degrees, just so we don't get confused. Okay, number 5, are these lines perpendicular? The answer for this is no. They are actually parallel because they run side by side, never touching. Perpendicular lines would actually be like a right angle, and they would actually intersect. Okay, so no for those, yes for these. But the answer, no. All right, guys, check your work, make your corrections.